I'm back! It's Dani Fish. We are doing recipe 3 today. I am exhausted. I'm just gonna lay down for like half a second and then we'll continue this, okay? 5 minutes and then we'll continue. Oh shit. How long have I been sleeping? Day 3 in our Halloween series. We are making mummies. How do we do this, you might ask? Peanut butter, banana, white chocolate ice pops. Using white chocolate Reese's peanut butter cups. Do you have to use the white chocolate Reese's? No. If I had a guess, you probably already have your Halloween candy. Using the peanut butter cups makes it easier. If you don't have them, or if you don't want to use them, we can just simply sub out for obviously peanut butter and white chocolate. This is a super simple recipe. There's no machines required. Even your mommy could do it. Get it? Mommy? These are the puns, kids. A super simple banana peanut butter white chocolate ice pops starting now. If you could just like, subscribe, share, bookmark it, send it to a friend, and comment before you continue, that would be great. This ice pop mold probably more than anything else aside from like an actual ice cream machine. So if you want it, this exact one, I did link it below in the description of my YouTube channel, right past all the ingredients as per usual. Aren't we cute? We're so cute. Twinsies. Twinsies. You can get these little sugar eyeball things at Michael's. This is where I got these. Or pretty much any like baking or craft store will have them. They are completely edible and they do come in a larger size should you want like larger eyeballs. They smell so good. Let's give them a taste. I feel like I'm eating someone. Is that weird? Hell yeah. He's delicious. I didn't add any sugar to this, you'll notice, because the white chocolate from inside and from what we coated it with is enough. You don't want to go overly sweet, and the nice thing about this is that the bananas add a nice like little caramelized sweetness to it after we cook them. Peanut butter balances out with something a little bit thicker and rich, and then, you know, he's just so cute. So like, how could you not love this? All right, let's talk healthy swaps. Swap out the Reese's for just a natural peanut butter and a little bit of good quality white chocolate. And then instead of using white chocolate or white coating, which is what I use to make the outsides, you're gonna use a regular yogurt. And you're just gonna dip them in yogurt. And then you have like a yogurt, peanut butter, banana bar that's like good for you and freaking adorable. Yeah. Still got one more recipe left in October, which means one more costume, one more theme, one more opportunity to see me dress up in something strange. I'm so curious to see what you guys think the finale is going to be. If you thought that the last 3 were anywhere decent, then this finale will be life-changing. Ooh, was that a hint? Wasn't a very good hint, but if you think hard enough, you might be able to get it. See you next week. Bye.
You're very spooky.